So I'm going to do a little walkthrough video, but this crazy guy here wants to sell me diving. Hang on, let the horses go past. Woo!
I'm from Gili T.
It's all about the horses, all about the horses.
How about your first? Go beat that fucking leg, mate. Yeah.
Catch you later, buddy.
See you, mate.
See ya. There we go. So we're going to start a little walk at Mark 7. There's a little road going down here, but this road just runs parallel to the road on that side is the ocean, about 30 yards back. So I'm just going to walk you down here. I'll be wondering what's on the back street. You'll know. If the audio cuts out on this video for any reason, it's just because YouTube has given me a copyright strike, because a lot of the bars are playing music, so the audio just gets cancelled out. So if it just goes quiet, it'll only go quiet for a short period of time until we pass the bars. There we go. Walked down here the other night and it was super big rain, and this road was a little bit flooded. Hello. So we can have a spa. Pricey spa massages. Hello. And we've got electric bikes on the island, and you just can't hear them coming. And they come up right behind you and you nearly walk in front of them, and it's an accident waiting to happen, in my opinion. Loads of little places for accommodation here. Lots of cats as well. Cats own the island. There we go. Loads of accommodation going on. All these places rent bikes, have pools, little reception area. There we go. Tattoo place. Get yourself a tat while you're here. Cozy bungalows. There you go, you see. All set back. There's loads of accommodation just set back, just off the main street. Get chickens and a few, and a cock, I think. There we go, vape shop. So you want to get yourself, oh, not a vape shop, a phone shop and a vape shop, I think. Hey, how you doing, buddy? All right. A lot of these warungs open up later on at night. Let's have a little taste of your local street food. Super tasty. Maybe later, buddy. Maybe later. Nice and spicy. Okay, point of reference. That is the central mosque. So we're directly behind the big mosque in the island. Gives you an idea of the location. You get loads of these little, oh, sorry mate, alright. Loads of these little side streets. So just cut between the beach and further back in the island. There you go, that's the back of the mosque. Nice little tip is this road at the front gets super busy, and if you're hiring a bike, use this back road. It's really quiet, so you can zip up and down on the back road and just drop into the main street without having to fight most of the traffic. People coming off the boats, hire the horses and to take them to the hotels. Full of people just walking up and down, just chilling out, coming off the beach, crossing the road. So this is a nice, easy, super. Oh, that's a nice place. What's this called? This looks lovely in here. Oh, look at that. Beautiful garden. There you go. Yeah, so as I say, whiz up and down this street if you want to move around quickly without having to run into a million people. Gili Castle 2. I'll pop you in, let you have a quick look. There's two of these, there's 1 and 2. There we go. This is pretty much your hostel type place. I'll pull out of there because it's got loads of music on. Don't want a copyright strike. And they've got loads of stuff going on. Party night, pool night, barbecues, all sorts of stuff going on. There you go.
I remember selling mine.
Hello, buddy.
How are you, boss?
Oh, good, mate. All your trips. Maybe thinking of doing a Komodo trip from here on the boat. They do like a 4-day boat that goes to Komodo. It doesn't start until March. So just be aware of that. Don't be surprised if you get here, try to book it, and they're not running it. There you go, another little hostel here. Show you through. They all tend to have their own pool. There you go. They're on the streets. Takes you down to the front there.
Ah, yeah? Oh, no.
The place there, accommodation. There's loads of these little places to stay here at the back. To get away from the hustle and bustle of the front. If you like these little informative walkthrough videos, I've got quite a lot of them on my channel. Everywhere I go now, I just do a little walk around, show people the accommodation, local streets, what's on offer. And give me a like and hello, give me a like and subscribe to follow for more. And if you know anyone who's coming to this area, share the video. It will support my little channel and help it grow. I would appreciate that, and it's totally free to like and subscribe. came past this place last night. Oh, the pizza oven was just firing up. It smelled absolutely delicious. Real cool place. I'm going to give this a little shout out. The pizzas looked delicious and smelled great. I've not tried one yet, but I think I'm going to head back down there maybe later on either tonight or tomorrow. So just to give you a rough idea where we are directly behind Mango Divers. So if you're on the main street and see Mango Divers now, this is the rear end of it. So I've been done 6 dives now. I'll just show you the map where to do the diving in the island. Anyone's interested in it? So these 3 islands. Gili's here. And they dive all around all the different dive sites. So depending on the current, depending on the weather, depending on how many people are diving, what diving level people are, is where you go diving. Okay. Now I'm going to conclude the video when I spin round in a moment. This is where I'm staying, just up this little street here. I'll finish the video just here at Gili Pirates. So I'd say if you like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. It will help my little channel grow. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.